Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a blank database in MS Access and how do we create a table in it. So once you open the MS Access using the Start button, MS Access, you will see a window like this. Select blank database in the window, click create. So automatically it displays the complete view of MS Access, so in which you have a by default table called table 1 without any fields. So in MS Access, columns are referred as fields, rows are referred as records. So by default we got table 1 in MS Access database. We can modify this table 1 as per my requirement or requirement by adding the desired fields to be filled with the specific data type. So click on create. You will see one table option and the other table design. So table is this view. Right now currently we are in table view, and table design is something different which we will learn after knowing this table. So table is nothing but the view which currently we are seeing on the screen, and to modify this table 1 as per my requirement, I have to click on this title, click to add. It will list a list of options. Out of them I have to select the type of data which I am going to give as input. So I am selecting as text and then type the field name, something like product name. So product name is in text always. So I selected the type of field is text. Next, data type of the next field is I am going to choose number because I am going to input the number in quantity. When I am willing to select the number quantity would be my title, so that I'll input the number in this column. Next, I'll input some value or current or price. So the type of data would be currency. So currency displays the value along with the symbol like rupee, dollar, etc. Price. Then date of time, I am giving the title as date of sale and the title as date of sale, and the data type I have selected is date and time for this field. Yes or no, a small checkbox is displayed in this column. You can select it or unselect it based on the requirement. I'm selecting the data type as yes or no and giving the title as something like this. Now it's ready. Around 5 different fields I have created in this table, and the table is now ready for accepting the input. So this column which you will see here as ID titled as new always generates serial number in it automatically once you complete one transaction, once you complete one record. So let us see how it happens. I'm going to type some data in this. As you can see, $95 because I selected the type of data as currency for this field. That's why the number is displayed along with the currency symbol. Date of sale, choose the date. Online paid, yes. If it is yes, then tick mark, or else leave blank. Use enter. So as you can see, this one automatically created here. Now it's ready for accepting the new record. So like this, we can give as many as records as we need. So after this, you can save this with the some table name. Click OK, then close. This was the first procedure. Now I'll show you the second method, which is table design. Here I have to mention the table field names and its data type. I'm selecting a similar table as which we had just before. Select auto number, name, from this drop down I can select any data type, selecting the text, quantity. I have to select the number because the quantity I'm going to input in digits. Here I can also type some description, so as and when some user enters any data, he will get notified with the restriction, so he'll be notified with some note. So I'll type here some note as like this. Next, price. Currency. So whichever method you want to follow for creating a table, you can. There are two different methods available to create a table. One is table, another is design view. Once you complete creating table in design view, you can just save this table with the title. Click OK. And if any message regarding primary key is displayed, as of now we have no idea what is primary key, so I'm selecting no. We'll discuss this in the next video. Close this design view, double click on table which was created, start giving the input as we had given in the product table. So viewers, this is the MS Access table creation methods. Hope you understood. Please view, like, share this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed.